It's right in the head. Stomach works. It has acid in there. Hey, I'm at Girls Inc. And you know, Girls Inc. is the second largest organization for girls, promoting to have stronger, smarter, more accomplished women. And they start at this age. So we're having a little demonstration here of all the things a surgeon does, because we hope more girls go into surgery, become women and become great surgeons. Because the best surgeons that I know, they're all women.
Do the top layer of the skin. The pink beads. It looks like 5 pounds. 5 pounds. I don't know if that was going to be the your black seed for your. Do you want some of this thing? We have it.
So we're supposed to take them out?
This is how the stomach works.